Stop your scrolling and get your butt over here and listen. Did you have to work this weekend? I used to have to work every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday, and every holiday. I had no life. I wore steel-toe boots into a factory for 16 years, a factory that didn't give a crap about me. I was underpaid, undervalued. I had no time with my family. At the beginning of 2023, they fired me on the spot, eliminated my whole department. I had no money in savings because I was not prepared to lose my job. Knee-deep in credit card debt, and we could not afford to live off just my husband's paycheck. I'm here for the hard-working parents out there. You do not have to grind working every weekend, working all the overtime just to support your family, just to pay the bills and barely get by. That's not a life. That was just a vicious cycle. You ever seen a hamster on the wheel? Running, but he ain't going nowhere. That's where I was at. I was disappointed in myself. I thought I would be farther along, and I was that guilty mother because I was not spending enough time with my kids. I felt like I didn't even know who my kids were anymore, and that's when I started my digital marketing journey, you guys. You don't have to grind your face off. This is a 2-hour workday. We teach you how to leverage your time, not take more time away from your family. It's a program, a live, hands-on, interactive program where you get daily videos and weekly mentorship, so you're never on your journey alone, my friends, because I'll definitely always be here to support you. Plus, we have over 14,000 people in our community to support you, encourage you, and I can't wait to celebrate your success. So if you're ready to learn how to make daily pay, be part of a thriving community, you do not have to grind. There's a better way, my friends, and I'm here to share it with you. Whether you purchase or not, you guys, that's up to you. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to share my story with you, share my journey with you, and be your hope dealer. And hope today I can show you a different side to having an online business, a side that I'm no different than you. I just took action because I was done, D-O-N-E. I didn't want to go back to that. I didn't want to go back to working every weekend. I didn't want to go back to working 10, 12 hours a day, 7 days a week with no life. If you'd like to learn more, let me know. Drop me in the comments, and I'll send you the information.